So that was one thing that you can start noting down if you are new to Agile adoption. So some of the best practices of Agile processes are, one is continuous integration and test-driven development. Both of these ensures that bugs and errors are found quickly and early, and that means it's cheaper to fix. Because as we know, based upon the Boyens curve, it says that the later the stage of development cycle we are identifying defects, it's much costlier to fix them. So with these two, we are able to find the defects early in the game. Then on-site customer and functional testing ensure the analysis and specification of the system is up to date. So even when we are getting the requirement, we are trying to find out what is the acceptance criteria, and that ensures that yes, whatever we are going to get is up to date and it's as per the business requirement. Pair programming, where two developers work together, is also helping to find bugs and leading to a good design, the simple design. Because lots of time we may introduce the complexity in the code which is unknowingly. So with this practice, it helps to reduce that situation. Refactoring and once and only once increases design consistency. So what Agile says, even though your code is working, it's giving you that desired result, you should not stop there. You should try to refactor your code. So that what does it mean by refactor? It says that you should be able to improve your code, and not only code but it's working code. So you should not try to improve the code which is not working. So if the code is working, it's doing its desired algo on that code, then you can go for the refactoring and improving that code quality. And that way you can get a well-designed and more flexible system. Regular releases gives the customer feedback and forces the team to make the release to production, and maintenance phases as cheap as possible, because it's not like at the end of the 3 year we are going to provide a release. It's a regular release, and that way we are going to get the customer feedback, and that makes the entire process more effective. So these are some of the best practices which we can get in the Agile process. So coming to this question, so if